Hi everyone! How is your life recently? Two sad things, the Russian invasion of Ukraine and the COVID pandemic still last. Putting them aside, though we cannot put them aside, today I would like to introduce to you 3 types of Japanese train. As you see in the footage now, 3 types are rapid trains, limited rapid trains, and normal trains. Normal trains, as you can easily imagine, stop at each station, but this is not useful nor helpful for commuters heading for Tokyo especially. That's why rapid expresses or rapid trains were invented. They skip local stations so that commuters can reach their destinations faster than before. Limited rapid trains are the developed version of rapid trains, the fastest ones, shortly put. Surely, you have these 3 types of train in your country as well, but be careful not to make a mistake in exchanging trains here in Japan. Have a nice trip.